Alright, blended BPC students, here is what we have for today. I'm going to show you how to access the skills check. My suggestion for the skills check: spend the first 15 minutes on it treating it like it is the test. Use Desmos test mode, see what you can remember. Next 10 minutes, open up your packet, see what else you can fill out. After 25 minutes, then I want you to find people to collaborate with. So if you're in the Learning Commons and other students are in the Learning Commons, work with them. If you were blended from a coffee shop, find a friend to work with there. If you are at your house, maybe text a friend, FaceTime a friend, have some sort of call to work with it together. While you are working, you're going to make a note card. For your test, you are allowed to use a 3x5 note card. Things I would recommend: what steps do you need for Desmos for target A? What does the C of X equation look like? What does P of X look like? What does V of X look like? So 3x5 note card, you can write on both sides. What I would do is separate and label the different parts for different targets. So have a 1A section of your note card, have a 1B1 section, have a 1B2. Things that are definitely fine to put on it. Any definitions, formulas, steps for Desmos, that is all good. So when you're in your 1B1 section, writing that the C of X function is equal to the unit rate times X plus the starting amount, or your P of X function comes from the two different forms. Look at those from the top of your 1B1 notes. Remembering things like combining like terms and distributing. V of X is what we use for 1B2. What you should not have is anything where numbers are subbed in or it's a worked out example. If you have something that is like a direct copy of an example from the notes packet, or an example you made for yourself with numbers in, your note card gets taken away and you are not allowed to use it for the test. So just keep it to steps, definitions, remember to distribute, things like that. Now, what you are going to do to access material. On our, not that page, on our Canvas page, you're going to go to the Rainbow Resource Spreadsheet. Right here we have the blank skills check key posted. The blank skills check posted. You are going to open this up to work on it. You can work on it with your computer in tablet mode, you can use a printer, you can copy it onto other paper, but this is what the test looks like. So the first target will have data like this and look like this. Make sure you show your work and show your steps. If you type something in Desmos, tell me what you typed. That's how you get credit. So that would be what the 1A part of the test will look like. The 1B1 part of the test will look like this. You'll have to label a graph. And then I would practice both of these because you don't know which situation will be on the test. 1B2, this is what the test will look like. This is what the notes look like. So this is your test review. Use Desmos test mode. Make your note card as you go. If you have questions, remember you can always come in person to the classroom. Otherwise, take your time to work on this. Check in with me if you need to. Send me an email, and I will see you in class tomorrow.